Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another brand new video. Today we will talk about how you can level up your rank on YouTube by leveraging the latest trends in YouTube SEO. If you can implement these methods accurately, your videos will start ranking higher on YouTube very quickly. Let's dive right into it. If getting more views or subscribers on YouTube is still a challenging factor for you, then this video is just right for you. Every single YouTuber who has a huge following started with 0 views and subscribers. If they can do it, you can too. You just need to utilize the right strategies at the right time. This can be done by leveraging YouTube SEO, and you need to optimize your videos for the same. It is definitely possible to rank higher on YouTube in 2022, and we are going to share a few tricks to do so. Keyword research. It is crucial that you use the right keywords for your videos to make them rank higher on YouTube. Therefore, you need to do your research to find the correct keywords for your videos. A few ways in which you can find the right keywords are YouTube suggestions. There are various paid tools that give you a consolidated list of keywords to use in your videos. But for starting out, you can head over to the YouTube suggestions to get an overall idea of what people are looking up on YouTube. Head over to the YouTube search bar and type a keyword that reflects your video idea. You will be able to see a list of suggestions in the drop-down menu that you can use as keywords. Competitors' channels. You can check out your competitor's channel and analyze the keywords that they are using in their video title, description, and thumbnail. This will give you inspiration with regards to the keywords that you can use in your own video. Video metadata. When you take metadata into consideration, you might wonder where to focus your optimization efforts in order to rank your videos at a higher level. Your top 3 priorities should be focused on thumbnails, video title, and video description. Make visually appealing video thumbnails. Attention-grabbing thumbnails will increase the number of people who watch your video. The more views a video gets, the higher it will rank on YouTube search results. A few points to keep in mind while designing a thumbnail are including a human face, using high-quality images, using images that convey an emotion, using 5 to 6 words, and avoiding misleading information on the thumbnail. The next metadata is the video title. It is very important to use target keywords in the video title. Adding the keywords towards the beginning of the title will give a good boost to your video. Video description is also important metadata because it gives context to your video. When search engines recognize what your video is about, it gives a positive signal to the algorithms that rank your videos at a higher level. It's preferable to use the keywords within the first 30 words of your description to give a rank boost to your videos. Relevant video tags. Video tags are something that is not visible to the people watching your video, so you can add as many as you want, but under 500 characters. Tags should be relevant to the video content you are posting because it should come up when a user searches for similar content on YouTube. For example, if your keywords are social media marketing, then the tags will be different variations of your keywords, that is, social media tips, social media hacks, social media, etc. You can use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to know what tags can be used in your video, ranking tags, and what your competitors are using. Increase watch time. Building a long video with many keywords in the perfect place is a good thing, but if people don't watch your video, then it's not going to send a good signal to YouTube. Watch time is extremely significant for YouTube SEO, so keeping your viewers engaged is an absolute necessity. As a creator, it is your responsibility to keep your viewers entertained. In order to do that, add attractive graphics and visuals wherever possible. To stand out from other videos, you can add animation to your content or tweak your editing to keep people entertained. You might want to compare the watch time of your videos in order to determine which content style your audience prefers. That way, you can try to focus on those topics with which your audience engages the most. Categorize your video. When you're uploading your video, it is important to put it into a category. If someone is looking for a particular video with advanced options, they could do a search showing videos from their chosen category. So, if your video is contextualized under a category given by YouTube, your video might be the first to pop up to the user if optimized accurately. You should be able to find a category under various options that YouTube provides. Choose the category that is closest to your video content. There are categories like film and animation, music, entertainment, pets and animals, etc. You can select the category right before uploading your video. Add subtitles and closed captions. Incorporating subtitles and closed captions are one of the most important things to consider for YouTube's success. Subtitles are designed to provide a translation of video dialogue for viewers who can't understand the language the video is in, whereas closed captions are for viewers who can't hear the audio. Subtitles and closed caption files contain the text that's spoken in a video, like a transcript. The file also contains timecodes for when each area of text should be displayed through the video. This way, it can line up with either audio or visual elements. Subtitles and closed captions make the video more accessible for the users. People can watch your video from wherever and whenever they like, without having the need to turn on the audio. These factors will increase your watch time and help you rank number 1 on YouTube. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us.
Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now.